Okay, this is going to be a quick video on how to convert between or from the standard to the slope intercept form. All right, so the standard form of a linear function is ax plus by equals c. This a, b, and c are integers. Okay, integers, and the greatest common factor of all of them is just one. So A, B, and C are integers. Okay, so that is the standard form. And the slope intercept form, you have y by itself on the left side, and we have mx plus b. So how do you move from here to there? Okay, so we want to write this. So since we want y by itself, this y by itself, we need to move everything else. So this ax, all right, we subtract. Okay, since it's positive here, we subtract from both sides, and then we'll end up with by. That's the by is equal to negative ax plus c. Are you with me? We moved that over here. Okay, so now we want y by itself. Since b is multiplying y, we divide by b. We divide by b. So if we divide by b here, we have to divide every term also by b. So then once we divide by b, we'll just be left with y equals the negative a over b x plus c over b, right? And we're done. This is in the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, this your m then is your negative a over b, and the y-intercept is c over b. Okay, so we have changed it from the standard to the slope-intercept form. Okay, here's another example. So I give you this question here. I say, what is the slope of the line? Okay, so if you look at it, I said the slope is what? The negative of your A divided by your B. So it's negative 3 over 4. And if you're asked what is the y-intercept, then it is the C over your B, 20 over 4, which is 5. Okay, what if you are asked to rewrite this in the slope-intercept form? Okay, so step one, what you're going to do is you need to move this away. So it's minus 3x on both sides. Okay, if we subtract 3x from both sides, we'll be left with just 4y is equal to negative 3x, okay, plus 20, right? And then finally, what do? We divide by 4. We divide every term by 4. So 4y over 4 is equal to negative 3 over 4x plus 20 over 4. Y is equal to negative 3 over 4x plus 5. See that? So that's how you do it. And then what do we have? Okay, whatever is multiplying your x, that's your slope. M equals negative 3 over 4. And this is your y-intercept. Cool? All right. So with practice, you can look at it and you can tell what the slope is. Okay, so when you're asked the slope, don't say the slope is 3. I see that a lot. In the standard form here, if you're asked what is the slope, this is not a slope. 3 is not a slope. You have to rearrange it to where the y is by itself. Okay. All right. Now, what if you're told the point K and K 1/2 lies on the line above? What is the value of K? What does it mean? Okay, what does it mean when we say the point K half lies on the line? What it means is, so we have K 1/2 lies on the line. That means when x equals k, y equals 1/2, and then we substitute that in the equation, right? We substitute that in the equation. Equation that we have is y equals negative 3 over 4 x plus 5. So when x equals k, 3 over 4 times your k plus 5. When x equals k, y equals half. Okay, so you put it in the equation, right? And so you say 1/2 is equal to 3k over 4 plus 5. And we need to solve for k. How do you solve this? How do you solve this? Okay. All right. Let's get rid of this 4 by multiplying every term by 4. Okay. So 4 times a half, this is 2. This is equal to 3k plus 20. Okay. And then the next step, you want solve for k. So 3k equals to 2 minus 20. 3k equals negative 18. And finally, what do we do? To find k, we divide every term by 3. K equals negative 6. That is your answer. That's how. Okay, so a point lies on it. We could have also put it in the original equation. It's still the same. Okay, when x, what it means is when x equals k, y equals half. Okay, it's the same thing. This equation is what we converted. We consider 3 when x equals k plus 4 times half equals 5. I'll put it in the original one. 3k plus 2. Oh, sorry, equals 20. 3k plus 2 equals 20. 3k, oh, sorry, here. 3k equals 18. K equals 6. Made a mistake here. All right, this was negative. It was negative 3k, right? It's negative, sorry, negative 3k. So negative. So we divide both sides by negative 3, and k is positive 6. Got it? Okay, so now try that. Rewrite this in the slope-intercept form. What is the y-intercept? And what is the slope? And what's y-intercept? Okay, all right. Sorry. Good. Sorry. Right. It's negative 2x. So what did you get? Did you get this? All right. This point lies on it. What is the value of r? What do you do with it? Substitute, right? Put it in there. Did you get this? Okay. All right. I have another one for you. What is the slope of the line? Can you write this in the slope-intercept form? Okay. And tell the slope. Okay. What about this one? What is the slope of this line? What about this one right here? Rewrite this y plus 3 in the slope-intercept form. You want to put in what form? Slope-intercept y equals mx plus b. So how are you going to do this? Pause the video, try it, come back and check your answer. All right. So that's what we end up with. Okay, so I go to IXL, Algebra 1, and it is T12. And do further exercises. Keep on practicing, and all things being equal, you shall bloom. Okay, so once you watch the first example, right? Once you watch the first example I did, you pause the video, you do it yourself, okay? Do it yourself to see if you get the same answer. Master it. Do all the exercises by yourself. Okay, pause the video and see if you're going to get the same answers. All right. Any questions? Let me know. Have a great day. Bye bye.